Next up, Rat's Nest. Before we begin, check out maps.techno.co where you'll find this video as well as thousands of others detailing everything you need to know about every quest, each step, and it even rotates based on your faction. Complete quests easier, maps.techno.co, Arena Breakout Infinite, and now Grey Zone Warfare. In this we need to gather intel from the east and the north part of town and return back with the intel. This is going to be slightly different for you based on what faction you're in, but essentially looking at your town, the east for me is down here to the bottom of this T-shape and the north side is up here by the gas station. So let's go ahead and do it. Alright, so for the Rat's Nest quest, the first one that we have is on the east part of town and the next one on the northwest. For me, that's east and northwest. On the east side of town, near here where the water tower is, right about here, is where you'll need to head. So we got the water tower, the warehouse, in between the two is where we need to go. Alright, so approaching this first location, down here, inside of this area here, you'll find a bunch of guards and the place where we need to be. So first we'll need to clear it out. At least the bots seem a little bit clueless at nighttime. We'll essentially find our way into this building, and inside you'll find stairs leading up, heading up these. Upstairs you'll find some computery bits. Over here we'll need to grab a smartphone from the table, and we're done with this first one. The next location is very similar to this. We need to do the same exact steps. So we'll need to head up here on this side of the T to, I think it's this building here. Yep, seems about right. That's essentially where we'll need to head. It's usually safer to go around the town than through it, obviously. Alright, so heading to this second location. It's actually right here on the inside of this little road on this right side of the T. And right over here, we should again find the exact same house and exact same layout. So looks like someone's already been here, which is great news for us, not for them, obviously. We should be able to head in here. And obviously, if they were still alive, this would be a super dangerous place to be. But inside of this building, we should find a very similar place that we just need to pick up some intel at. So this second one should be on this table. There we go. Convict's notepad. So from the back side, it's this room here. And from the front side, it's this right room here to the left, right over here. Picking it up. There we go. Now we've got both of these items. All we need to do is take them back and we're done with this mission. And now that we're back, we can just hand in the quest. So Rat's Nest, I'll hand over both of the intels that we collected and there we go. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.